Stick 2 more out, make these count. We're looking pretty good. Hang in there for a minute. Bear with me. 2, go! Give me 3, go, especially right side. Right side, paddle. Lean in, get down. Get back up, get back up. Good job, people. Give me 3. That wasn't fast, I thought. Give me 2, go. Give me 3 more. This blue hole. Relax. This is blue hole. I'm trying to slow down just in case something's going on behind us. Four, 3, go. 1, 2, 1. Uh-oh. I saw people stop paddling. That means they'll be swimming at Godzilla if they don't practice hard. I'm giving you a D on that one. 3, go. Remember, the scarier it is, the more important it is to paddle. 2 more. 3. 3 more, go! 1, 2, 3. All right, everybody, make sure you sit facing straight downstream. Square up in the boat, lock your feet in. That's looking good. Give me 2, we're coming up on slam dunk, biggest drop. By far, not the most interesting. Give me 3, go. Relax. Back on the left, 3. Stop, that's where I want to go. 2. Give me 3. 3 more, we need some speed. Put your bodies into it. Go. All right, everybody get together. 3, go. 1, 2. Stop. Lean in, lean in. Good job. Get up. Get ready, show's coming. Back on the left, 3 times. Relax, all 4, 3. Good job. 3 more. Stick those blades in the water. Relax. Get together, this is important. 4, 3. Stick them, make them count. 3 more. Take your time, stroke. Stop. Left, right side, you must paddle harder. All 4, go. Do not stop. Do not stop. Do not stop. Keep going. Keep going. Hey, what's up? Hey, River. Yogi's lurking somewhere nearby. This is where all the bad bears from the Smoky Mountains come to.
Yeah, they all get relocated, dude.
Yeah, because this is a hunting area, so Yogi's going to get shot and become somebody else's picnic. Give me 2 more yes. And get around this rock. We might bump it, it'll be okay if we do. And 3. Relax. 3 more, make them count, go. was good. Give me 2, nice and easy, relax. 2 more, go. That all don't get it there. But one coming up will. 3, go. Here comes Hungry Mother, man is she hungry. Back 3, back 3. Give me 3 more. There are some pin rocks we don't want to hit. You're good, relax. Let stand go on by. 4, 3, go. Relax. I'm counting on that rock to help me. 4, 3. Three more, dig them, these count. 2 more. 1 more. You made it. Now it's going to get crazy. It's going to be like you're an express trip now. I want you to lean in on the left. You're going to take a hard hit twice. I mean really lean in. Four, 3, go. All right, relax. We need to get in sync again. You guys made it through the Olympic course. I know you can do this. 4, 3, don't worry about Whitewater Express. They're all awesome guides. They can deal with anything. 2 more. 2 more. I pal with these guys on my days off. They're a lot of fun. Four, 3, don't fall out like that customer did. That's awful. That's why you are guests, not customers. Give me 2. We're going for the A-line. I have faith in you. 2. This is broken nose. I just wanted to fun wrap this. It's very technical and it's juicy at this level. Get ready, I'll probably call strokes. Give me 2, go. Give me 2 more. Hang on. Hang on tight, that's hard it. Good job. Give me 3. Right here. Give me 2 more, we might have a bump here, I hope not. Hold on. Right on, I saw that. 4, go. Go, we gotta have some fun down here. I might forget which group I'm in and surf it myself. 3. It's gonna get silly now. 2 more, get down, get down, get down, get down. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Well, you're now entering double trouble. It's actually 3 standing waves, not 2 as the name would make you think. As you go over these big standing waves, Dee, our photographer, will be taking awesome pictures. She'll be able to see the freckles on your nose and the look in your eyes. So make sure you smile, wave your paddle, wave your hands, make a face, do whatever you want. Here we go. 1, 2. Give me 3, go. Keep going, get ready for a bump. 3 more. Relax. You're gonna have to paddle really hard through this one. I'm not going to tell you why because it might scare you. All forward, go, 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 go. Relax, that was awesome. You made it look easy. Give me one back. Forward 2, go. Back 2. Forward 2. We'll go down here and try to get in Hollywood. Forward 3, go. I need some speed. 3 more. Go, go, go. Stop. Back. Relax. It's a table song. It's so much fun. It's really steep and 20 feet wide. Give me 2. Go. Relax. Enjoy the ride. Don't paddle. Do not paddle. Give me 3. Go. Wow, almost threw myself out. Stop. That's not because y'all did plenty. We went across the eddy line. Give me 2. Make it 3. 1 more. Whoops. Back 3. Back. Back. Here's Diamond Splitter. Oh my God. Here comes Witch's All. It's so much fun. Back to you.